What are you made for me? Okay, mommy.
This has been properly washed, guys, with some vinegar and lime. Salt, black pepper, garlic powder, lemon pepper, onion powder, paprika, nice washed. I'm gonna put this in the oven for 350 degrees. It has been preheated already, and it's gonna be there for like 30 to 45 minutes. Okay.
Mama, I never knew that it was gonna cook it before. I was gonna go cook it like you, mommy. I was gonna go cook it.
Yeah, good cooker.
I think that has mommy. Mommy, where's the mask that you made? You cleaned it off?
This is it. Thank you.
I've been mad. That's clean. These sticks will make that.
Okay.
And so you gotta put it there.
So yes, guys, this is the end result.
And I have more food that mommy made for me.
Yes, Papa.
Can I have this tomorrow?
Yes, Papa, you can have it.
Yay, back, mommy. Mom, Paul, you do that go by yourself. Make food for yourself too, mommy.
Thank you, Papa.
Because you're really hungry.
God bless you.
God bless you, mommy.
Bless you too, Papa.
Mommy,
Papa.
when I was a baby, I take care of you.
Oh, thank you, Papa.
Actually, when I was 2 years old, you took care of me.
Okay.
When I was 2 years old, you took care of me. And when I was 2 years old, you were 3 years old, I took care of you.
You take care of me when I'm 2 years old?
Yeah.
Okay. Thank you.
Mom, how did you grow up that fast?
How did I grow up that fast?
That's for B.
Mm-hmm.
Is that is I'll turn to you, mommy, and I'll turn to me.
Okay, Papa.
So, first one, mommy, when did I die?
What if you die? What do you want to die and go to? God forbid.
Whenever I died when I was a baby.
God forbid. You never died when you were a baby.
What when I was 100 years old then?
If you're 100 years old, then that's fine. You're going to see God.
And I will die?
Mm-hmm.
Boom!
You might be more than 100 years old. You don't know. God might keep you more than that.
Because you go up to 10.
That's why you have to keep doing good things.
Top and fifth is your age, okay? In case they come, you should just take a nap and kill them, okay? And kill them until was enough. I will help you. If you take a nap and then mama and fast.
Thank
I
you,
will
Papa.
come.
Thank you. Yummy?
Yeah? Something what happened to my craft.
What happened, Papa?